In this video I will show you how can you recover your end-to-end encrypted message from your messenger. You can see here, if you give here your password or pin, the end-to-end message will be recovered, but sometime we click here skip and then we click here continue. That's time our message don't recover in our messenger. You can see here, I have seen some messages, but those messages didn't recover. So how can we recover those messages? So for recovering those messages, you have to simply click here three dot. After click here three line or three dot, you have to simply click here settings. After clicking here settings, you have to scroll down for some time, and then you can see here a option called privacy and safety. You have to simply click here, and then you can see here end-to-end encrypted. You have to simply click here end-to-end encrypted, and then you have to click here message storage. You have to simply click here message storage, and then you have to click here turn on secure storage, and then here you have to give your pin of end-to-end encrypted pin. You have to give. If you forget your end-to-end encrypted pin, I will provide the link in description, and you can find the video from my Facebook page or YouTube channel where you are watching the video. So I am simply giving my pin. After giving pin, you can see here my all backup has been ready, and you can see here the message have been stored in my messenger. So if I want to download those messages, I have to head back from here, and then here you have to come. For downloading these messages, you have to click here account center. You can see here account center, and then you have to click here your information and permission. You have to simply click here, and then you can see here download your information. You have to simply click here download, and then you have to click here download or transfer information, and then you have to click here a specific type. As you want to only recover your messages, you have to simply click here, and then you have to click here messages, and then you have to click here next, and then you have to click here download to device, and from here you have to choose a date range. You can choose for last week, for last month, what date range you want to store your message. You can choose. Then you have to click here save. After clicking here save, you have to simply click here create file, and then you can see here your data will be restored into your this file. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Also I provide my Facebook link or Facebook Instagram link in my description. You can connect with me in my Instagram. Thank you so much.